So you're facing the IPv6 network issue. I got you. What you have to do is go to settings and then type in CMD. And after you're in, you're gonna type in this sentence and click enter. After that, you're gonna paste this sentence and click enter. The two commands will be in the description. After that, you're gonna click on the search bar and type in network reset. After that, you're gonna click on reset now, then restart your computer, and you should be all done. That was it for today, and I'll see you in another video. Stay tuned.